Hello everyone, this is my review of the PILOT FriXion Clicker Erasable Gel Pens, a must-have for anyone who values neat and mistake-free writing. This 3-pack of fine point pens offers smooth, precise writing with black ink that is both erasable and refillable. The erasable feature is a game changer, allowing you to fix mistakes without damaging your paper. The retractable design adds convenience, and the comfortable grip makes long writing sessions a breeze. Perfect for students, professionals, or anyone who loves journaling or note-taking. These pens deliver quality, functionality, and reliability. I highly recommend them, and I hope this review helps.